In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of Google Gemini and discuss some of its best uses. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. It can help with tasks such as brainstorming, summarizing, drafting, organizing ideas, and answering questions. Google also offers Gemini features in workspace environments, where it can help users work more efficiently inside Google tools. Depending on your access, you may see Gemini as a standalone tool or as part of Google Workspace experiences. You can easily get to Gemini by visiting gemini.google.com. You can also sign in with your EKU account so that you can take full advantage of what Gemini has to offer. One of the best uses for Gemini is brainstorming. If you're trying to get started on a topic, build ideas for a project, or think through a task, Gemini can help create a strong starting point. Gemini is also useful for summarizing information. It can help reduce longer content into shorter key points, which can save time when reviewing notes or organizing material. Another helpful use is drafting. For example, Gemini can help create a first draft of an email, outline a response, or organize ideas for a document or presentation. It can also be useful for explaining topics in a simpler format, which may help when you are trying to understand unfamiliar material. As with any AI tool, it is important to review the output carefully. You should check accuracy, revise wording, and make sure the final result fits your needs. Used thoughtfully, Gemini can be a helpful tool for brainstorming, summarizing, drafting, and organizing information. For more help with digital resources at EKU, visit eku.edu/it.